As opposed to a physical reaction, a chemical reaction is any change where new chemicals are formed. Pause this video for 15 seconds and see how many chemical reactions you can come up with. Perhaps you came up with some of these examples. Burning, which is also called combustion and is the rapid reaction of a substance with oxygen. Rusting, the reaction of baking soda and vinegar. Explosions, or the cooking of food. Sometimes chemical reactions are obvious, like fire, and sometimes they are not, such as the dozens of chemical reactions that take place in your body. Most chemical reactions involve the evolution of heat. In Canvas, there's a link to a YouTube video clip of the chemical reaction of sodium metal with chlorine gas to form sodium chloride. It is a dramatic reaction, and I encourage you to view this clip. We will observe some chemical reactions in the laboratory later in the semester. Chemical equations are not only useful for describing physical reactions, but also for describing chemical reactions. We will look at chemical equations in more depth later in the semester, but what I would like you to notice now is that in this chemical equation, there are different chemical formulas on each side of the arrow. Capital C, capital H for gaseous reacts with capital O2 gaseous, arrow, which means forms, capital H2 capital O gaseous, and capital C capital O2 gaseous. Different chemicals on each side of the arrow mean that a chemical change has occurred. This chemical equation represents the combustion of methane, a significant part of natural gas, to form water vapor and carbon dioxide. Here is a list of reactions. Pause the video and determine whether each change is physical or chemical. You will have homework questions that require you to distinguish between physical and chemical reactions, and you are likely to be quizzed on this concept. Once you have your answers, start the video again. All of these reactions represent changes, but not all form new chemicals. Boiling water is a physical change since no new chemical is formed. In chemistry, decomposition is always a chemical reaction. Decomposition means that a chemical breaks down into different chemicals. The decomposition of water to form hydrogen and oxygen is a chemical reaction. Explosions are also chemical reactions, and the mixing of a dissolvable substance, such as a drink mix, in water is a physical change since no new chemicals are formed. If you need or would like extra practice identifying chemical and physical reactions, there's an optional worksheet on this concept found in Canvas.